Well, we have some breaking news coming in. BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya tweets saying that a 4-year-old girl belonging to a Bihari migrant Dalit family is raped in the Tanda village in Punjab, then burned to death. Former Union Minister Vijay Sampla meets the victim's family, but Rahul Gandhi and Tejaswi, who do politics in the name of Dalits and backward classes, are now silent. Well, those are the details we have. That's a tweet coming in from Amit Malviya. Going across to Payal, who joins us for more details. Payal, unfortunate that rape politics once again playing out.
Yes, of course, and with the fact that the opposition has constantly questioned the rape and the brutalities on women in the BJP ruled states, that's one of the reasons you've seen the BJP now ask Rahul Gandhi and Tejaswi questions, saying that, what about this particular rape which is taking place in Punjab, which is a Congress government? And what are you doing about it, and why have the perpetrators not been arrested? So obviously, unfortunately, even as women continue to be brutalized, politicians will continue to brutalize politics on the issue.
Right. Any reactions to Amit Malviya's tweet by the opposition, Payal?
Well, not so far, but obviously questions will be asked because this is a Congress ruled state where Captain Amrinder Singh is the chief minister as well, and obviously this kind of a brutality taking place with a migrant labourer at the time, and they're canvassing and campaigning in Bihar and saying that the government of the day did not look after the migrant and the migrant interests as well. Obviously, postures are going to be taken, but so far we've not seen any reaction coming in from the opposition for sure.
All right, Payal, thank you for joining us with all those details. Well, moving on from there, soaring onion prices are pinching consumers' pockets hard. The centre has imposed stock limits on both the retailers and wholesalers with immediate effect until the 31st of December. Now retailers can stock onions only up to 2 tons, whereas wholesale traders are allowed to keep up to 25 tons. For the second consecutive year, onion prices have surged at retail outlets across the country. In cities such as Mumbai and Pune, retail prices have risen to 100 rupees a kg. A supply crunch due to failed crops and flooded fields is the reason behind the drastic hike in prices.
With effect from today, we have issued a notification where we have regulated onion, we have imposed the stock limit on onion, and we have issued the notification to the effect that the certain quantities are being declared, that what quantity can be maintained by a wholesaler, what quantity can be maintained by a retailer, and this stock limit has been imposed on onion with effect from today up till 31st of December this year.
त्योहारों के इस मौसम में आपके रसोई का बजट बिगाड़ सकते हैं प्याज के दाम। इस समय हम दादर सब्जी मंडी में खड़े हैं और यहाँ पर जो प्याज बिक रहा है काफ़ी ज़्यादा दुकानदार हमारे साथ हैं। दादा, क्या भाव है आज के दिन प्याज का?
200 रुपये 2.5 किलो, 80 रुपये किलो के हिसाब से है। बाहर गांव में बारिश हुआ है और ख़राब हो गया है, और इधर आते आते और भी ख़राब हो जाता है, इसी की वजह से कांदे का भाव बढ़ गया है।
साफ तौर पर प्याज का जो दाम है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है।
ज़रूरत तो पड़ती है ना प्याज का, सब सब्जी में तो डालना पड़ता है, इसलिए महंगा तो लेना पड़ेगा।
साफ तौर पर लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा परेशान हैं यहाँ पर, और जो प्याज है हर सब्जी में डालनी पड़ती है, इसीलिए उन्हें ये प्याज महंगे दामों में खरीदनी पड़ रही है।
This festive season, onion prices have become a big dampener because onion prices here have gone up. A kilo of onion is being sold for 80 rupees now. Just 2 weeks ago, it was being sold for 60 rupees, and consumers here are feeling the pinch. The rise in prices is basically mainly because of the incessant rainfall in Karnataka and Maharashtra. Telangana procures most of its onions from these two states, and also in Andhra's Kurnool district where Telangana sources its onions from. Now all these areas have been severely impacted by floods, because of which there is a disruption in the supply chain, and the state government here says it's going to take a while before the situation normalizes. Onions बिक रहे हैं?
नहीं बिक रहे हैं, पहले जितना नहीं बिक रहे हैं। पहले जितना आदमी 5 किलो लेता था, अब आधा किलो 1 किलो ऐसे ले रहा है।
So there you heard them say that the prices are likely to go up, and that's because of the disruption in supply chain because of the rain affected areas.
Now, Maharashtra is home to Asia's largest wholesale onion market in Lasalgaon in Nasik. It is said that Nashik decides the onion prices in India, but why have they surged in the last 2 weeks? Vinay Deshpande gets us this ground report. Take a look.
Careful and very measured buying of onions is taking place at this Pune market. 250 grams, half a kilo, the purchase is calculated as retail prices reach 100 rupees a kilo.
उसकी नीड है वो तो खाना ही जरूरी है, वो 100 हो या 150 हो, वो खाना जरूरी है, तो नीड है तो लगने ही वाला है.
Maharashtra is home to Asia's largest wholesale onion market in Lasalgaon in Nashik. Prices here have doubled over the last month from 2,500 to 3,000 rupees per quintal to 7,000 rupees now.
इसका मेन कारण ये है कि इसमें लॉकडाउन हो गया था. लॉकडाउन में किसान अपना माल बेच नहीं सके तो उसका भारी नुकसान ये हो गया कि उनका माल डैमेज बहुत हो गया. आज 70% माल मंडी में था तो उसमें से 30-40% उसका डैमेज होने के बाद 20% माल शिल्लक रह गया और देशभर की डिमांड बढ़ने के कारण अचानक भाव में तेजी आ गई.
Heavy and untimely rains have damaged crops on over 10 lakh hectares of land. Prices have also surged because the Nashik region has to meet the entire country's demand after rains destroyed onion crops in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It's also traditionally the lean season now before the arrival of the late Kharif crop. Farmers allege, though, that the prices have been artificially jacked up. The damage to crops is estimated at 35,000 crore rupees. The government has relaxed import norms till December 15th to ease the supply. More buffer stock will also be offloaded, but with fresh arrivals still to come into the market, the situation is unlikely to change till at least Diwali. Vinaya Deshpande from Mumbai.